Now these products, these are impact tool wrenches. As you can see, you have your impact tools. Great way to get wheel lug nuts off. They also have a wide variety of other tools available that work with any type of air compressor. And over here, see your standard air compressor, flat jack. Of course, you want to do your due diligence when it comes to PSI and the air tank capacity. But all these attachments are available here. And I have some of them. So these right here are just absolute beast. Some of them are beast. I think I'll go show you the generators, because a lot of people in their first year will probably use a lot of generators. Now, my idea is to use a battery bank and to run an isolator. But these products here, very nice and affordable.